my channel. So we're at a Cars and Boba in the little background. Yeah, he just told everyone to move their cars out of the way. But I met the Miata one, the other Miata, the red one. No, guy. Yeah. Yeah, the Chevron when we were going home. I recorded it.
Was it on the other side of the train tracks?
Kind of like that going over the tracks.
I'm like all sideways.
You guys don't know how to move.
I never bring them up there. That one Celica, you got best of everything. But you like what's in here? Have 200 trophies. There's Tommy. 39 grand you took that there.
Yeah, they're making sure everyone's going.
Yeah, that's what my legend told her. Parking chill.
Yeah, look, and we got lucky.
No, that's what my legend.
Yeah, let's go. We know it's gonna be packed.
Oh yeah, what else? I should have drinks 2 gallons.
The boba.
So it doesn't wash through Street though, going towards Brentwood. Where's that quit is that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But no, it's not that way. Are we going to go? When is the next parking? Our car parking?
Oh, why you need rims? On this door?
Yeah, I mean it's true. You're agreeing whatever's gonna happen.
Like I want my room to like pop out. Like
Yeah, he was just showing me his gimbal that he had. Like the color ones in light.
a light one, light color.
Light colors, yep. I don't know if it's legal or not. Yeah, okay.
The back ones could be.
Okay, that's where I was getting confused.
Whatever.
That's good.
The reflective.
Yeah, like kind of like color rainbow when the light. I guess he did his walking around.
What the fuck is a bull?
Really. So the best thing to do is just go do what you want.
Yeah, I can't. But that's why I haven't even posted. I don't think I posted anything today.
Yeah, I only posted the drink.
Oh, I posted the boba all late.
Yeah. Yeah.
Little by little.
Little by little. But I'm so proud of the pro.
Again,
Yeah. Okay, let's go to the side a little more. Oh, never mind. He's turning. At Turner's.
Back to the banners.
Yeah, I
I know
know.
I've seen it before.
Yes, I really. This looks really good.
The one with the.
In Jesus these days Christians get attacked. If you don't hate police and they're so aggressive, white folks who